And then bumabalik yung, ayan.
Ayan.
Alright.
Shoot. Ayan, di ba nga? So, kamusta ka naman, Bex? How was your week? Plastika.
Ano ko yan? Kamusta ka, Bex? How were you the past few months? Kamusta ang buhay?
Would you choose a life like that? Would you choose an environment like that? Oh, alam mo yon, parang you would support something that is against with the community.
Paano nga ba mag-let go ng walang guilt?
Common sense na lang, sis. Na bakit mo yun gagawin?
And after everything na napagdaanan, parang you don't have the guts to tell her what's wrong.
Oo.
Yes.
Oo, bagay sila. Kasi yung isa, oh my God.
Pinigilan.
Ayun.